Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to block or unblock someone on IMVU. If you're trying to protect your space or reconnect with someone you previously blocked, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open up your IMVU application on your smartphone, or you may also log into IMVU on a desktop site. Either way, once logged into the home page of IMVU, go ahead and select the profile of the user you want to block. You can find them from the feed section, from the following list, or your recent chat rooms. I'm just going to find someone from this discover list. Once you find someone from the list, go ahead and select their name, and then this will open up their profile. Go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. In the pop-up at the bottom, you will see block and report profile buttons. Tap on block in order to block the user. Now in the pop-up, select yes to unblock the user. Blocking will prevent the user from messaging or inviting you to the chat. It will also unfriend and unfollow them. Click on yes to block, and then you have blocked the chosen contact. Now, if you ever want to unblock the contact again, then all you need to do is to go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right corner from the home page. From your profile section, click on the gear button at the top right. This will open up settings from where you'll need to choose blocked users. Inside blocked users, you will be able to see the people that you've previously blocked. Click on unblock if you want to unblock anyone. Soon after you do that, you will be able to message the contact again, and they will be able to see your profile again. So that's how you can easily block or unblock someone on IMVU. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.